Hello everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing from Shift Solutions. If you guys don't know who they are, I'll make sure to link their product down below. Today I ordered something to kind of rejuvenate the interior. It's getting a little bit dull, so I wanted to get some products that would probably match better now towards the theme of the car. And again, this is from Shift Solutions. Get this opened up. So this one, I wanted to match my interior a little better, and that is going to be the handbrake. You have all kinds of different options that you can choose from. I went with the all black because I already have a bunch of accent red. So this is going to be the handbrake with a little bit of curled knuckle, I guess you would call it. And this one feels really solid. The only caveat is it's metal, so that will be fun during the summer, but hey, you know, sacrifices. Looks like they give you a couple of set screws. It's gonna go right here, there, and there, and there. And that way it just sits on there, and this is just gonna help the interior pop. This will look really well with the red thumb button that I have. Next one should be the AC controls, which I really wanted to get because I already have that thumb button. That's what started this whole thing, is that the thumb button for releasing the parking brake is a nice anodized red. So I said, screw it, let's get all anodized. Looks amazing right off the bat. Nice. So we got 3 of those. These are just slip fits. I have a couple of ways of putting on there, just either it's slipping right over, or I can put a little bit of double-sided sticky tape, but other than that, this will look really nice. The next thing that I got as well to match everything and accent everything, this is gonna be the shift collar. This thing is awesome. It's really gonna help the interior pop. So we'll get this installed later down the line, but I wanted to give you guys a nice sneak peek of what's coming up and what's to come. So this, by the way, will fit for your aftermarket solutions. They will fit what we have right now, which is the Boomba. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I cannot wait to show this off in the future. As always, guys, dreams are never simple. Later.